Hello. Today, we'd like to introduce you to JNP hybrid wax. This is an excellent collaboration of a synthetic wax and a natural wax, and an essential product for solidifying oil formulation like lipstick. The hybrid wax is a mixture of a synthetic wax and a natural wax. The synthetic wax is a linear hydrocarbon and a main component for forming strong crystal structure of lipstick. The natural wax is an ester constituent fractionated from vegetable wax and an essential component to support enough stick resistance and stable reproducibility because it has an affinity for both liquid oil and hydrocarbon wax. If you make a stick by only a linear hydrocarbon wax, the stick tolerance varies depending on a species of liquid oil. To ensure the tolerance, your selectable species, quantity, and ratio of liquid oil are limited, and then you can't create the expected skin feel. You can expand the limit by adding an ester wax which is refined and fractionated from vegetable wax because the tolerance variation by liquid oil reduces. JNP offers two types of hybrid wax, Smart Wax 7743S and 202S. Smart Wax 7743S is a mixture of a synthetic linear hydrocarbon wax and a Candelilla ester wax. Candelilla is a plant growing in Mexico. The ester wax is obtained from the leaf and refined well, and its molecular weight is high. Smart Wax 202S is a mixture of a synthetic linear hydrocarbon wax and a Canarba ester wax. Canarba is a tree growing in Brazil. The ester is also obtained from the leaf and refined well, and its molecular weight is high. Smart Wax can replace a petroleum wax such as Ozokerite and Ceresin. Though Ozokerite and Ceresin are popular because they are easy to use, a petroleum wax including them contains carcinogens like polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, including benzopyrene, and this problem concerns many consumers. The solidifying property of smart wax is equal to or better than them, so you can directly replace them to smart wax. Of course, smart wax doesn't contain any PAHs. In addition, because smart wax happens few variations at every production batch, you can ensure the expected quality of finished products. Thank you for your attention. We're glad if you have interested in our products. We hope your contact.